viewers, friends and students. Welcome to the French language class. Today's topic is a very important topic of the French grammar. Definite article and indefinite article. Articlo défini et articlo indéfini is an important topic in the sense that whenever you are learning any new French word, then you have to properly implement the article if you are using this word in your communication or in spoken French when you are speaking. Okay, so this is a very important part or important topic in French language. And always you have to, in communication and in speaking, always you have to properly implement the correct article. Actually, in French language, we get two types of genders, that is masculine gender and feminine gender. And on the basis of gender, that is whether masculine or feminine, that whenever you are learning a new word, new French word, that is on the basis of gender, the correct article is determined. Okay, how to implement it? And this in the sense that in different types of exams also, this type of question comes, that is the dash will be given before the word and you have to properly implement the article. It may be definite or indefinite. Okay. So after doing this class, you can have a very good idea regarding the articlo défini et articlo indéfini in French language. There is a definite article and indefinite article of the French grammar. But I'll be requesting you to see the total video and don't skip the video. That is from top to bottom I'll be showing you so many examples, that is how to implement and what are the different types of definite articles and indefinite articles one by one, and I'll be giving you a list of words, exemplary words, that is so that you can properly implement the article. Okay, let's start today's class. Thank you. French articles. Articlo défini et articlo indéfini. Two types of French articles, and all French words you are learning are classified into two genders, either masculine, masculine gender, or feminine, feminine gender. Articlo défini, le, for masculine, singular, la, for feminine, singular. L'apostrophe for masculine and feminine, both singular, for words starting with vowels and H mute. Les, le, for masculine and feminine, both plural. Articlo défini, live examples. Le livre, the book. Le cahier, the exercise book. Le stylo, the pen. Le tableau, the blackboard. Le journal, the newspaper. Le thé, the tea. Le garçon, the boy. Le pupitre, the desk. Le manteau, the coat. Le chapeau, the hat. La femme, the lady. La table, the table. La chaise, the chair. La chemise, the shirt. La fille, the girl. La cravate, the tie. La plume, the pen. La maison, the house. La voiture noire, the black car. La tasse, the cup. L'apostrophe, l'oiseau, the bird. L'école, the school. L'usine, the factory. l'image, the picture, l'avion, the aeroplane, l'hibou, the owl, l'hôtel, the hotel, l'horloge, the wall clock, l'heure, the hour, l'homme, the man. Plural, les garçons, the boys, the filles, the girls, les livres, the books, les avions, the aeroplanes, les journaux, the newspapers. Please notice this particular word. Actually, in end, it is taking X in case of plural instead of S. Okay, this is the main point to be noted. Les journaux. In plural, it is taking X at the end. The newspapers. This is an exceptional word. Les oiseaux, the birds. It is of the same category. Les hôtels, the hotels. Les hiboux, the owls. It is of same category, taking X. Les voitures, the cars. Les écoles, the schools. Les articles indéfinis. Un for masculine singular. Une for feminine singular. Des for masculine and feminine both plural. Some examples: un livre, a book, une chemise, a shirt, a père, a father, une mère, a mother, des livres, books, des chemises, shirts, des journaux, newspapers.